The metal detector.
God, fucking not gonna be clapping. You're fucking not thinking about shagging everything. Yeah, every fucking night.
If I don't look like that. The face on it.
She's looking at Guinea while doing it. Looking at Guinea while humping the cushions, going full bore.
And she looks like she's got a smile on her face. It makes it even worse. Oh, pardon
Got a
me.
sex face on it.
Oh, no. Oh, go. You could look this good. Oh, bellyache. You guys won't be able to look at her in the same light now.
Oh, I just had them doing that, and it just had an image of Ace Ventura where he goes, "Was it you feel that, buddy? Huh? Huh? I have exercised the demon."
Oh my god. Oh, that is hilarious. Oh.